Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another helpful, interesting lesson for you. This is part 2 of my lessons on Maria Elena, or Elena I should say, from Los Indios Tabajaras. Okay, hopefully you managed to get yourself sorted with part 1. So this is part 2, which is like the second half of the song, after which it just repeats the whole thing again, part 1 and part 2. Okay, so it's like part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2. Okay, so let's get to it. So starting off, first part of the song is exactly the same as part 1 to play. Okay, you just start off either with a slide like you did in the first part, with the 3rd fret to the 8th fret. You can play that exactly the same as you did the first time. I think actually on the record they don't bother with the slide, they go straight into the 8th fret of the top string and just do that bit. So straight into that rather than going whichever you like to do. Okay, whichever. The next part is exactly the same. Okay, so it's exactly the same as part 1. That slide from 7 to 9 on the 3rd to the 8th fret on the 2nd, and then you've got those double stops, exactly the same as part 1, like that. And then the following part is exactly the same, and this is where it changes. So up to that point it's exactly the same. Okay, so you've got and this is where it changes. Okay, and we do this. Very simple. 5th fret of the 2nd string, hit that note, then we bend it up and let it drop. Okay, go up half a note or a single note up to just like that. Okay, and then we've got this little bit, a bit quicker. This is a okay, so what we do there is we, after you've done your, we do this. So it's a hammer up from the 5th fret 2nd string to the 6th fret and pull off. So it's that. Then you go down to the 4th fret on the 2nd string up to the 5th fret. Just so it's got that. And then what I do is I basically flatten the 2nd finger over to the top E string, 5th fret. So you've got, and then I'm playing top E string, 5th fret, okay? And then we go down to the 4th fret top E. So it's got, so we got, then we go up to the 7th fret top E, to the 5th fret top E, and then the 8th fret top E. So that is slowly. Okay, got that. Then we've got these double stop slides. Okay, so it's quite nice. And that's top E string, 8th fret, and the 2nd string on the 10th fret. 2 strings together. So you hit the 2 strings, you slide it down and then bring it back again. Alright, got that? Then we do exactly the same, but starting on the 6th fret top E and the 8th fret on the 2nd. Exactly the same thing, hit the 2 strings, slide it down and then back. So you've got, so far, right from the beginning, okay, of part 2 of the second half, okay. Okay, so far so good. Now we've got this bit. Very simple, it's just a climb up top E string, 7th fret to the 10th fret, 1 fret at a time. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10 on the top E string, however you wish to finger it, okay. And then what we do is this. And that's, so when you've done the minute pause and then you've got, that's a hammer and pull off, top E string, 8th fret to 10th fret and pull off again to the 8th fret. Right? So 8th fret, hammer up to 10, pull off, back to 8. Then you go down to the 7th fret, so you've got back to the 8th, up to the 10th on the top E string. So it's all on the top E string, this. Pause, and then you do that bit again, but this time you add, after you've done, you go up to 10, after that 10 you go up to 12 on the top E string. So you've got okay, then you've got this very nice little run, right? Right, so what am I doing there? Right up on the 17th fret of the top E string, okay, 17 on the top E to the 15 to the 12. So 17, 15, 12 on the top E. Then you've got the 13 on the 2nd string, the B string. So you've got, then you go to 14 on the 3rd, and then 12 on the 3rd. So you've got, and then we go to 14 on the 4th string, the D string. So now you've got, and then we go all the way down to the 10th fret of the 4th. So now you've got, then we do the 12th on the 5th, the 10th on the 5th. So now we've got, then we go to the 12th on the bottom E, and finally the 8th on the bottom E. Okay, so that's, sorry, let's do it again. Slowly. Okay, and then we got the final bits, which is this, and the way I play it anyway. So it's a slide from 7 to 9 on the 3rd string, the G string. Then I'm barring the top 2 strings on the 8th fret. So it's, and so you play that slide, 7 to 9 on the 3rd, then the 8th on the 2nd, and the 8th on the top E, and then put your finger on or fret the 10th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. Okay, that's the first phrase. The second phrase is, so that's a bar across the top 3 strings on the 10th fret, and you play those 3 down to 1 and put your finger, 3rd finger, on the 12th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. So you got, so the first one is, second one is this one, and then you go up to the 12th fret, top 3 strings, bar those, and do 3rd string, 2nd string, top E string, Then this finger now goes up to the 15th fret on the 2nd string. And finally, the root there, the C note, the 13th fret of the 2nd. Okay, this B string. So that last one is all the way down, top 3 strings, 12th fret, 15 on the 2nd, 13 on the 2nd. And then I just put an F chord in, back to C as a finish. So what I suggest you do is you play like part 1, part 2, which you've just done, so you end up on that. And then we start all over again. If you want to do the full song, you would do part 1 again, then part 2, and you finish it when you come into that with the F chord, C. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls, my take on the whole of Maria Elena from Los Indios Tabajaras.